Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are fine and enjoying life well. In today's video, we are diving into creative world of crochet with some stylish and fun shoe design ideas. Whether you are seasoned crocheters or a beginner, this design will inspire your next project. Our first design is the classic crochet slippers. These are perfect for cozying up at home. Use soft bulky yarn and a basic pattern to create a comfortable and worn pair of slippers. Experiment with different colors and texture to match your personal style. Summer sandal. Next we have summer sandal. These are great for chic and airy look. Optional for lightweight yarn and a pattern with open work or lace detailing. Add some decorative bead or button for a touch of elegance. For those who love making little things, baby booties are a delightful choice. Use soft, hypoallergenic yarn and choose pattern with simple stitches. Add cute embellishment like tiny flowers or bows to make them extra special. How about casual loafers? These are perfect for everyday wear. Use a medium weight yarn and follow a pattern that includes a sturdy sole. You can personalize them with different stitch pattern or colors. For a modern twist, try crocheting sporty sneakers. These designs combine style with comfort. Use a combination of different yarn and incorporate a sole made for durable material. Add details like lace for contrasting strips to fashion the look. Finish the look. Here are a few tips to get you started. Choose the right yarn for your design. Follow a pattern carefully and don't forget to measure your feet or the recipient feet for a perfect fit. Practice make perfect, so keep experimenting with different design. Thanks for watching. We hope these crochet shoes design ideas have sparked your creativity. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more crochet inspiration and tutorial. Thanks for watching. Take care.